Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Tamia and I thank you guys for joining. As you see, my hair is in its natural state. You guys often have questions as to whether or not I wear my hair natural. And yes, I do. This is just the first time I'm filming a video for you guys with my hair like this. So if you have any questions about my hair, feel free to leave them in the comment box below and I will be sure to get back to you on those. I also probably will end up doing a hair tutorial on my natural locks. So in this video, I'm going to show you two new products that I received from Smashbox. One is the Superfan Fanned Out Mascara, and the other is the Always On Liquid Eyeliner. Both which I've been using for the past few days. I do not have lashes on in this look. If that speaks anything to how great this mascara is, it lengthens, it volumizes. So if you're not a fan of wearing lashes, or you just haven't gotten it down to a science as to how to put them on, or if you just haven't figured out how to put them on yourself, then this would be the mascara for you. So stay tuned. You'll see how easy it is to put on, to apply it. So I hope you enjoy this next video. This has been my go-to for the moment, which helps me to get a nice even application. So this is what I'll be using. And again, the reason I love this foundation is because it is medium to full coverage, so I don't have to use very much for it to go a long way. I just blend it out at the top of my fingers. I don't like to put foundation all the way up to my forehead because I know my forehead tends to, one, tan a lot quicker, two, is a little darker than the rest of my face, so I just keep that separate and go in with the cream contour, as I will show you now. It's so funny, I've always had a big forehead, and as a kid I can remember like not really liking the fact that I had a big forehead, but as I've gotten older I have embraced the 5 head. Makes for better contouring. It makes for better contouring. So now I'm going to go with Smashbox's Photo Edit Eyeshadow Trio. This is the Nudie Pick Medium. And I like to use this when I'm doing a neutral, natural look. It defines my crease without doing too much. So I'm taking the darkest color and just sweeping it back and forth on my lid. On my crease, rather. I will repeat on this side. Blend, blend, blend. That is the key to everything coming together. I'm just gonna place the nude color on my lid. And just blend this bad boy in. Now to clean up, I'm going to use my concealer. we're gonna go in and lock me up with my Sacha. And just hollow out the cheeks. A little more. Chin. Hit that forehead. Now for a little blush from BH Cosmetics. Don't mind the shimmer on the top. I'm gonna go in here, use this big old blush brush. Starting on the outside so I don't have too much of the color right on my cheeks. So start on the outside and bring it on down. And I love blush, especially when it comes to my neutral looks. And when I have a neutral lip, neutral eye, it just gives me life. For my highlighter, and I broke this the other day. I'm so mad because there's barely any in here, but I love it, so I'm still going to use it. What I love about it is that it blends very well. I don't have to do too much for it to like seep into my skin and become a second skin. This is the Girlactik Lustre Face Glow. I've used this before, and I just love it. There's literally remnants left, but I'm gonna get every little drip drop that I can. It's a powder, so you know when these things fall and they shatter, they break. See, look at that. Look at how effortless that goes on. And just gives you life. This side versus this side. Yeah. I would show you what the color looks like naturally, but like I said, it's broke. So I'm not trying to waste the rest of what I have. That's for sure. Yeah, it's just the way the light reflects off of it is everything. Chin. Up here. Everything about this is just it will have you feeling yourself. A little on my tear duct, and that'll be all she wrote. Just like she wrote on that. So I'm also gonna go in. I know I technically finished my, well, I didn't technically finish my eyes, but I'm gonna go in and put in the color that's on my crease underneath my eye, since I haven't been wearing liner on the inside, and I don't wish to do that for this look since it's going to be a very natural, summer friendly, beach friendly, pool friendly look. So I will keep it light also, since I'm doing liner on the top. My brows don't look half bad for not being done. We'll do those last though. You can shake it back and forth. I guess that'll help to bring the liquid to the pen. And this is the type of, it's like a felt tip. I literally only do the outside corners of my eyes lately. I don't know what that's about, but I've been loving it. Look how easy it glides. This was not the eye that I was hoping for, but we'll go with it. Sometimes they turn out better than other times. This is not one of those times. This one I feel is more accurate to what I wanted. Yeah, definitely is. I don't know what I'm gonna have to do to fix the other one. Or if I can salvage it. I think I kind of salvaged it. Kind of. My eyes look different shapes. Oh, I hate when that happens. But we're just gonna go with it. And we have our trusty mascara. The Smashbox Superfan. And guys, believe it or not, I have not been wearing lashes lately because it seems these mascaras are like giving my lashes so much life without, you know? I get a lot. Gotta be careful with the second coat, but I think 2 coats is the winner. Okay, look at those eyes now. The skin, the eyes. I use Espresso and this brow pencil. Actually just tweeze them so they're nice and fresh. So this should be super easy and effortless. I like this because it doesn't make my brows too dark. It's nice and light. So first we're going to go in with Colored Raine. This is Mars. Second we have NYX Lingerie. And this is Cashmere Silk. These 2 colors by NYX and Colored Raine. Dry a little bit. I hope you enjoyed this video and you leave any comments or questions below. Let me know what you want to see more of. I have a feeling you guys are going to want to know how I achieved this look. And it actually didn't start to look like this until this morning. Actually later last night into the morning. So it got bigger, and as it got bigger, I fell more in love with it. So, you know, it takes a little time. I don't use a diffuser. I just let my hair air dry, which is probably why it takes longer for it to grow into the mop that I love it to be. So, That will come soon because I know you guys are going to ask for that. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Just click that button below. You'll get all the notifications as to when I post and what I post, and you won't be disappointed. So I promise you, if you click that subscribe button, you will get a lot of tips and tricks in the beauty industry. So I hope that you enjoyed again, and thanks for watching. See you guys next time.